All right, guys, it's foxbody update time. The Buster, our project foxbody, where we're at, how far we've come, what we've done. I haven't been videoing a lot of it the last few weeks. Really just been busting tail on it. I've got pretty much got everything dialed in. I'm waiting on a windshield on Thursday. That should be delivered thanks to Safe Light. Yeah, they'll be here Thursday to put that in. Other than that, all the interior's in, dash is in, it's running decent. It still needs tuned, but I'm real excited about it. I've got it running right now, and I really want to show you guys where we're at. So let's go check it out. All right, it might be a little loud. We'll shut it off and talk in a little bit, but I've got it idling right now. I don't have an overflow jug yet, so I'm dripping a little coolant, but I'll worry about that later. We've got it just idling. My alternator's not quite hooked up right. I still need the 4-gauge wire from the alternator to the battery. Once I get that, then it won't surge like that. That's why I've got the charger hooked up right now. It's surging when the electric fans kick on, so I gotta finish the alternator upgrade to the 3G, and then it won't do that anymore. But everything's running, good oil pressure. Temp's good, staying right at exactly 200 with the fans, idling right around 800. Everything seems to be doing all right. All right, guys, so that's where we're at with it. Sounds good. If nothing else, it's loud. It's got 3-inch all the way back. Got the interior in. This is just all the stock interior. We didn't spend a lot of time, not spending a lot of money on it. This is a race car. I've actually just dyed all the interior with some cheap dye, and it actually turned out really nice. Really pleased with it. Just some cheap duplicolor dye, actually. But if you follow the right steps and procedures, and sand that stuff, wax and grease remover, it turns out all right. We did the top up there. It turned out pretty good. The back seats. Still got to finish the console and put it all in. I'm not going to do anything else till they come put my windshield in on Thursday, but this is where it's at, guys. Still a little bit of work to do, but we're getting there, one step at a time. I'm about ready to get it to the track. I know that. Can't wait for some warm weather. Still needs cut and buffed. Once we get it all done, there's a little bit of trash in it here and there. Nothing major, but still needs cut and buffed. We'll get that done. Windows need cleaned. I didn't even mess with the windows. They're just a mess. I'm going to take those and have them I'll have the tint guy clean those real good and tint them up, reform me real nice, so don't have to worry about that. But still waiting on the wheels and tires to show up. Hood also, I do not have a hood. Should be here, hopefully in a few weeks, maybe when my rich uncle gets out of the poorhouse. Or maybe when I get some views. I don't know if you guys know, but I hit that 1,000 subscribers. Yeah, so this is the update on the Fox. It's really turning out slick. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments. Please let me know how it sounds. I know I get a lot of comments about the collar. What you guys see on camera here is not what we see in person. It's totally different. I know it's hard to explain, but it's more like a teal to you guys through the camera. but to me it's a little bit more green. But somebody was over here just the other day checking it out and mentioned that they was watching the video and seen that and was like, this don't even look like the same car, but it is. Just let me know what you guys think. I'll hopefully have the next video you guys see maybe will be of us doing our first little drive in it, hopefully. But yeah, thanks for watching our little Fox update video. Hopefully plenty more to come on this. We will definitely be taking her to the track, getting her maybe doing some back road passes to get her dialed in, but we'll see what happens. We're excited. Need a little bit warmer weather yet. It's snow's just now melting here, but all right guys, that's enough of my rambling. Like, share, subscribe, tell your friends. We're gonna go fast here soon. Thanks for watching, guys.